What's up guys? Welcome back to daily vlogs. Today we're leaving to go on vacation, and so I figured I would record it. At this point I'm kind of making videos more for memory's sake. I have no idea if I'll post this or not, but when I started the YouTube channel I was kind of making them trying to be like Logan Paul.
Oh, what the fuck is that? No, what? Holy shit!
I'm excited somewhat for the vacation because, you know, vacation, but also I don't like leaving my little bunny. I feel like anytime I leave I feel like she'll just die, and that's not the most pleasant thought. I'm now realizing that I definitely should have shaved before starting that intro. So let's go shave and then I'll do that intro again. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another daily vlog. Just kidding, I'm not doing that intro again. But look, I have my drone stuff packed up because, oh, that has my phone number on it. I shouldn't show that. I'm so stupid. I'll blur it in post. So I'm bringing my drone because there's some nice scenic places there, and I spent like $1,000 on this drone, and I've used it probably 10 times. So overall, worth it. Since we were leaving, we made a bunch of bags of veggies so that if Chula got hungry, she could just go downstairs and go grab them from the refrigerator. We're at the airport now. Guys, I got this really fancy Voss water, and let's give it a taste test. Tastes like water. Yo, they got Flappy Pig. I think it's broken. This text is so squished. What if in my video I just put the text really squished? While we were on the plane, we flew alongside this really cool thunderstorm that was just thundering like every second, and then we got to the house. So we got to Arizona at like 2 in the morning our time yesterday, so we kind of just went to sleep, and now it's daytime. Look, that's the famous creator of the best brand of clothing ever, Moodbots. Go follow on Instagram. Yeah, and now we're gonna go in the pool.
Making a train. He's just trying to stay afloat.
Got a bucket full of rocks.
It's the drop.
Right to the bottom.
That was the last anyone ever saw.
Like,
Alright, I'm gonna attempt to kick against this and get to the wall over there. It kind of works. That is facing the wrong way. Alright, after we played in the pool for a while, we kind of just hung around at the house, and now we are going to get on a private plane to fly to Montana for the rest of our vacation. We bring in the dog with us.
Okay, so
we're over the Grand Canyon right now. The dark. I'm in the airplane bathroom. This bathroom is freaking. This is the toilet. This is nuts. Guys, nobody tell the frogs about this. They'd go crazy. So after we got off the private plane, we came back to their estate here, and we went and checked out all the different houses and stuff. They're really beautiful. And then went to a fancy restaurant that I did not record. New segment. Food review. So I got a steak. It was like $40. It took like 45 minutes to come out as well. So I'd rather just go to McDonald's like 7 times. Normally I'm not a big healthy eater, so I don't usually love eating the veggies that come with it, but I was like there are people who could buy me here. I don't want to look bad in front of them, so I was like, I'm gonna eat all my veggies. But they were actually good. I wanted to eat them. They did such a good job on the veggies. Congratulations to them for making vegetables taste good. It's the morning, I just had breakfast, and we're going to Glacier National Park now. So I have my camera and my drone in a bag, so I hopefully should be able to get some nice shots of that. Drones are not technically allowed at Glacier National Park, so we'll see if I get to fly that or not. Hopefully I do. But if I'm not, the estate that we're on is so beautiful that I can just fly it here and it'll still be really good footage, so I'm excited for that. Dude, the water is at least 1 block deep there. If I jumped in from here, I would be totally fine. We were trying to throw a rock into the river to see the splash, but we couldn't find any big rocks, so we threw this little one and we didn't see anything. So we found a really big root and we were able to throw that in, and honestly, it was amazing. Oh! We stopped again because there's a bridge and we want to cross the bridge, but look at how pretty this is. My camera is running low on battery, but I do want to touch the water. Look at how pretty the water is. Ooh, that is cold. These mushrooms are living on the edge. There are some little baby glaciers up there in the mountains. We made it really high up, and there's like a little hiking trail here, so we're gonna go hike. Look guys, it's the Caves and Cliffs update in real life. So we started the hike, and it is not a 1 mile hike like our mom said, and it's like a 5 mile hike. And since I am unathletic, aside from being in the water, we're just gonna go some of the way and then turn around. But look, waterfall. And look, it's the creator of Mood Bots, my favorite clothing brand. All right, we've reached the spot that we're probably gonna turn around on because we have people waiting for us in the car. So we're gonna head back now. We're entering this big tunnel. We're all recording because we're millennials. It's got this place where you can go out over the edge. It's a long way down. Look at that scenery. It echoed the funny word. Look guys, we found this cool bird. We named him Henry and we were able to feed him some bread. We're stuck in like a mile of traffic. After we got home from the hike, we went and had food, and then we went and played some like games on like their pool table and shuffleboard. Guys, look at how good at pool I am. So this ball right here, I'm gonna hit it and knock the 8-ball into that hole. All right, it's a beautiful day today, so we're going kayaking or canoeing. We have like both. I have my drone and my camera and stuff because it's a really nice day, so today might be a really good day to fly the drone. Look, there are bear prints right there. Ah! I'm stealing your shot.
Don't steal my R.
Go!
On your marks! Get set! Go! The epic canoe race. Here they come, here they come. And that's the winner.
You think I could stand on these lily pads like in Minecraft? Oh, buddy's so cute. We finished canoeing. We won the canoe race. I'm gonna fly my drone around now. So after we went kayaking, we went to the largest lake west of the Mississippi. That's just one of the like tour guide facts that I was given. All right, so this is our boat. We took this beautiful boat out to the middle of this freezing cold lake, and from there we did water skiing. So here's a compilation of me sucking at water skiing. Then we went on the jet skis, and that was the coolest thing I've ever done in my entire life. By now you've probably noticed that we have a lot of nice stuff, and so I just want to put this out there. I personally am poor, so still give me money. From my few days in Montana, I've learned that people in Montana really like huckleberry stuff, so here are just a few of the huckleberry products that they make. They got huckleberry jam, huckleberry milkshakes, huckleberry sauce, huckleberry lemonade, huckleberry chapstick, huckleberry water, huckleberry air. Those last two were an exaggeration, but you get the point. They have a lot of things that are huckleberry flavored. All right, we're going to take a boat out of the water and put it in a shed. So after we helped clean and put away the boat, we went to a gift shop. Yo, they got a fish holder? Seriously, what is this for? It's Shula. Alright, we got Nick, we got Paul, we got Ryan. But who the heck is named I Heart Your Buns? The amethyst geodes from Minecraft were so popular that they put them in real life. If I got 8 of these, I can make a conduit.
Wait, is that in Minecraft?
Tiny animals, $5 each. With all these animals. And then we got triangles. So after we helped clean and put away the boat, we went to a gift shop and got some stuff. And then we went to a rock store where we were told all the rocks had special healing properties. And so the cashier told me that this rock right here could make my pee-pee bigger, and so therefore I had to buy it. So now I'm gonna go to bed, and tomorrow we'll be leaving. The next morning we baked something, and my mom burned herself. But in my opinion, it was worth it because it was delicious.
Did you burn yourself? Get water on it. Get water on it.
Alright guys, we're leaving soon, so we're packing up and cleaning up the house. One thing that I want to do though is on the first day my dad told me that he hates it when the water cooler logo is put in sideways. So the whole week I started just shifting it to the side, right? And he keeps changing it back. So I want to win, and how I'm going to win is by moving it to the side right as we leave, so that we leave and it's like that forever. All right, everyone's gone. Hee hee hee. Ha 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 ha. Goodbye, house. Once we got back to Arizona, we hung up by the pool, and I tried to learn how to do a flip, and it hurt. We're going back to New Jersey now, and kind of sad. So we got through the TSA, and they sell cactuses here, so I'm just imagining somebody buying one of these, bringing it onto the plane, and like taking it up to the pilot and being like, this plane is under our control now. Back to peasantry. Once we landed, this nice man let us ride with him in the airplane golf cart thing, and that was better than the whole vacation. Alright, I'm back home. I forgot to film an outro for the video, so this is like 2 weeks later. But we got this little rabbit when I was in Montana, and I want to see what Chula thinks about it. Hello, baby. What do you think about that? Oh, you're trying to eat it? This isn't food, Chula. Anyways, guys, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And check me out on Twitch. I'm live there all the time, play a lot of Minecraft, so that's always a good time. So thank you guys for watching, and bye.